For one more learning video tutorial, and today we are going to explore the allies group here. Okay, so I just got some of the information, so I was busy with data exchange, and in between I got some of the details. So as you can see now, my A3 is not working, so pip install and A3. Okay, so how you to can do this stuff, so I'm going to show you. So first thing is that if you don't have an account, you can visit this link. I will provide link in the description, so you can click open my free account now, or you can click on this page, especially this image. So you just have to give the mobile number, and if you need assistance, it can be done through account opening process. Okay, so just give the mobile number and you can do it. And the next thing you require is documentation. So we just edit here itself, because as alliesblueonline.com is definitely required in this stuff. Okay, okay, so just click on this stuff. Now what happens, it will open the actual official documentation. So these are important. Now first thing is that we need to go with reference libraries. So here especially the updated one is available. So just open this stuff, and before getting into this you need to have an account. Okay, for that reason what you can do, you can go with the introduction, and introduction a3.alliesblueonline.com is there. So if you just click on this one, it will ask each and everything how you need to can go with creating all of the apps and details. Okay, so my apps will be there. So you have to click on the create app. So if you click on this create app, you will get these applications. Okay, so what happens in this, you need to fill the details. So all of the details, red mark, it is important. So you have to give the app name, description, redirect URL, whichever you prefer. So you can just do the HTTPS to /localhost or ant.alliesblueonline.com, or even you can utilize this www.optadaweb.com web website. So business type you can choose if you prefer. Contact name, your name, email ID, whichever you have within your trading account, mobile number, and you have to give this primary IPv4 address. Okay, so all of the details you need to fill, and you have to get the submit. So after submit, you will receive all these details. And if you are creating any sessions, so these sessions will appear here as a session token and expiry. So as you can see, I've been tried, and today I've been done some of the installation and all the stuff. So that is the reason it is showing. Okay, so you can go with these things, and here if you see, they have been given how to go with this stuff. So all you have to do is just copy here, and you can go with your CMD, and you have to paste it your the pip install and just say run. So after this, it will install each and everything. Since my requirement already satisfied, so it will show me what other things are there. So as you can see, it is already installed. Okay, now if you have to call this, so you can go with this installation stuff. Okay, from trademaster dot synchronize amp import star, and this here you have to go with the trade as describing each and everything. User ID, your auth code in the sense if you want to get with this, so you have to follow this URL. Okay, ant.alliesblueonline.com /? App code equals you have to give it your API key. Now what happens, here the API key and all of the authentication is explained. So this URL is important to get your auth code. So once you can log in, so you have to give all this email ID, password, and after that your TP or OTP will be there. So just give it, you receive your auth code, just paste it here, and after this you can do all of the steps which have been done. So I've just downloaded some of the contract. So as you can see, with this exchange, I've downloaded some of the stuff, and I've been proceeded, and I got this TCS, okay, token. So if you are receiving without any issues error, perfectly going with this thing. So this is a quick update. So you just try to do this stuff, fill all the details, fill all the forms, okay, and get your API key and secret key and utilize the stuff and do trade. Okay, so this is an update, and if you want to refer the previous video, that will be very much helpful. Okay, thank you very much. Please do like, share, and subscribe. If you have any doubt regarding this video, please do comment below. If you have any other queries or requirements, please do contact me and or WhatsApp. Thank you.